today, guys, we're going to be visiting a little village called Gruyères in Switzerland.
And we're also going to go on the cheese factory tour.
And what else? We're going to see a castle. There's like a medieval festival going on, so we're going to show you everything there. It's really cool. And some cool facts about this little town of Gruyère is that the cheese that everybody knows, I'm sure everyone's heard of Gruyère cheese, it's worldwide renowned, and it comes from this area. So the actual village is called Gruyère, and that's where the cheese comes from. So here we go, let's go have fun.
So this is the Gruyère cheese factory, and the cheese actually comes from this town.
And what's the town name?
Gruyère! For the cheese, they give you a 6 months old, an 8 months old, and a 10 months old.
Store all their cheeses.
How do we reach the top?
Probably with the cheese.
A lot of cheese.
So the whole audio guide was based on a cow whose name is Cherry, because she was born in the season of cherries.
Okay, so here's what's really cool and what we just learned. So the cows go up every springtime up the mountain, and then they come all the way back down in the fall. And what do they eat, girls? Do you remember some of the things they eat? Okay, all cumin, thyme, vanilla. Let's see, it says it over here. So flowers, narcissus flowers, what about orchids, violet flowers, all kinds of flowers. That is the secret to the cheese, guys. If they don't go up the mountain and get all those flowers and all those things, you can't make the same cheese. So the cheese that comes from this Gruyère is special because it can't be replicated anywhere else unless you have mountains of these same types of flowers. So the cows, when they eat it, it changes the type of cheese that's made. So that's why you get this special Gruyère cheese only from here, which is really cool.
Can we try it?
Yeah, let's try it.
Okay.
You tell me which one's your favorite.
Okay, so this is the 6 months old one. This smell it. Smell it?
It's very strong smell. The first time you came here, did you like it? Do you remember?
No, not really.
You've acquired taste for yummy cheeses now, right?
The second one, the 8 months old.
8-month-old one. Good.
Better.
Better? Okay.
And the 10 months old.
10-month-old cheese. I can't wait to try mine.
It's like it gets darker and darker and darker.
Stronger? Stronger flavor? Is it yummy? Yummy. Alright, let's go see the rest of it.
So this is all the different kinds of countries they transport it to. And the 2 top countries is actually the United States, which has 10%, and Switzerland, of course, which is 9%. France has 7%. Spain has very little, 0.7%. Italy has 1%, and the United Kingdom has 2.3%.
Yeah.
So the 2 top.
So US and Switzerland eat the most Gruyère cheese in the world, right?
Yeah. Right now we're in the gift shop, so you can buy whole calendars, cheese, postcards,
Sampling more cheeses. Really good. Okay, explain Chloe what we just found.
Okay, so it's a snacks box for 2 people. It's almost like a lunch box for 2 people, and you get it's all over you can top it up all over Switzerland, and it comes with Gruyère cheese. It comes with meat, chocolate, apple juice, water, 2 apples. I don't know, everything, sausages, a whole bunch of stuff.
And chocolate. And do they fill up your box? So you buy the box once and then you go fill it up around Switzerland? Is that how it works?
Yeah.
And different products probably from the local areas, I think. So we're going to go for a picnic. And another really cool thing they have here is they have like salami meat that's from the area. And you can get it with garlic in it. What kind, girls? With garlic or without?
Garlic is right.
It's really good, right? This is super popular here too in Switzerland. It's called viande séchée. I don't know exactly what it is. It tastes really good. It's very thin, fine, like finely cut meat and dried and very salty. Just a short distance away from the cheese factory, you can go visit the little old village of Gruyères, which we're about to do. So it's a hike up. You can either drive and park. Today's a busy day because there's festivities going on in like a medieval festival. But on a normal day, there is parking like partway up. So just so you know. So here you go. You go from the factory and you literally just walk up the mountain into the little village of Gruyère. So maybe good walking shoes is a good idea too. And just FYI, just behind me, right there is the train station. So you can actually get here by train as well. Of course, just like any other little town in Switzerland, but sometimes you wouldn't think about that, right? You literally can get everywhere by train, bus, or boat here in Switzerland.
So every town in Switzerland has a twin in a different country.
So this one, it says it's twinned with Renaissance.
Because today they have tons of activities going on.
The girls are making wishes and then they're going to burn them in the fire tonight and they're all going to become true, right girls? I wish for, oh, I better not show it on camera because then I might jinx it. So this is a very special weekend here at the chateau because they have a medieval festival, and so they have all types of animations and people that are decked out in the olden days, and it's just a really special event to be here at this weekend. Oh, you look scary. Is it heavy?
Yeah.
This would be the 19th century room. All the paintings. There's a century of people painting.
So this castle was always lived in. Like in other castles, they didn't live in all the centuries. But this castle, it was lived in like so many periods. And they have rooms that showcase each period. And this weekend, it's showcasing the medieval times, so everybody's dressed up like the medievals and stuff like that. So did you know back then they slept sitting because they thought if they laid down they would die? So there was this lady who was forced to marry the guy here, and she didn't want to. So he locked her up in a tower right there behind me until she said she would marry him.
And is it a true story? Or a myth or a legend? We're not sure. Up to the audience to decide. Let us know below what you think. True or is it not true? Did he really lock her up? Was it a legend or was it a true story of the medieval times and the crazies who lived here? So this was the room she was in here. This circular room.
I was also going to explain a thing for kids. For littler kids, like from 6 or 7-year-olds, they have this, it's a treasure hunt, and you have to find each animal, front and back, and it's a treasure hunt, and you have to find all the animals. So in the 19th century, they really liked their paintings. That's why this room has lots of paintings around it.
Had a little bit of a late night because some of them are sleeping here. They're all tuckered out. Girls want to have a nap too.
Yeah.
Donc en fait, vous mettez encore la moitié en plus. Maintenant, la question qu'on nous pose souvent, c'est pourquoi si long? Qui peut me dire quel était le guerrier le plus recruté dans cette festivité? Pas trop proche du centre, parce que c'est là qu'on va manœuvrer.
We're making candles.
You don't look like you're making candles. What are you actually doing?
You have to put them in the sun so they melt a bit.
Oh, okay.
Votre attention, halte! Qui c'est qui m'a foutu des abrutis d'une manière qui ne connaissent pas leur texte de leur céleste? Vous savez tous, vous! Texte, c'est où?
Mais gardez-la sous contrôle de vent, en attendant. Parce que là, non mais sous pull, mets-la sous.
Ah bah moi, attends, je vais aller la chauffer. C'est pourquoi j'ai un peu noir.
Ah bah oui, alors
Mais
on
ça,
va un petit coup là-bas.
Mais
Comme ça, la quitte de tomber, comme un bonbon, comme un tribut.
Arquebusier, feu! Il y en a un qui a mieux chargé que l'autre. Wow! Attention! Je peux faire? Ouais!
For something and you don't want to jinx it. So I'm gonna wish upon a star. So, like we were saying earlier, that was a very special event at the chateau, the Gruyère. But they do have animations and different things throughout the year. So one of the things they do is they do make their own honey, and so you can book like separate tours other than just going into the castle to go see how they make the honey, and the kids can go in and experience that. And then all throughout the year they have different animations and events that they do. So the one we just were at, the Medieval Festival, happens only one time per year, and so there you go. Anything else you want to say, girls, for that?
Definitely worth seeing.
Yeah, it was pretty cool, but it was fun. We all had a good time. Something else that's special from this area is meringues, which Tyler and Angelique like. The rest of us, not so much. And what they do is they dip it in like a heavy cream, and it's like kind of like their specialty, double cream.
Thanks for watching our tour of Gruyeres Switzerland. Please subscribe and give us a big thumbs up. And don't forget to comment down below where you're watching from. Bye!